Hey guys, I'm coming to you today to tell you a little more about Brc-20 coins. They're very popular right now, and most of y'all know what's going on. There's still a few of y'all that do not know the ins and outs. I'm here to let you know today that once you've minted your BRC coins, how do you sell them? Well, the first thing you've got to do is make a transfer inscription. So just owning them isn't enough. A transfer inscription has to be made so that you can transfer them. And I'm going to show you how to do that. I've already got one pulled up right here. This is a good example. I'm going to double click and copy that. So I know that's correct. Let's say I have 20 memes. I have 20 meme BRCs that I want to sell. So in order to do that, I'm going to go over to inscribe. I need to do text. We're not doing the actual BRC coins. We're inscribing a function into the system that's telling us that we can transfer. So I'm going to paste right there. Now remember, it's meme that I'm wanting to sell. Those are the ones I have. And the amount I'm going to do is 10. This is going to make 10 able to transfer. So I look and double check that. Now also there's another way you can do that. You can do 10 individual transfer inscriptions and sell those inscriptions one at a time, or you can do one for 10 and sell 10 at a time. If you want to make that not valid anymore, you just simply transfer it to yourself and it goes away. So in order to finish this inscription up, we need our address. So this is the wallet it's going to be going to. Okay, there it goes. So this is the wallet that it's going to. I'm going to copy my address. Come on, babe. I'm going to copy my address right there. Now I'm going to go to my inscription that I'm finishing up, and I'm going to paste my address in there. Okay, I'm going to drop it down to 38 sats because I want to do it a little cheaper. I'm not in a rush. No one can beat me on the transfer inscription. It's not on time. The only thing that depends on that is the sooner I get it, the sooner I can sell it. So now I'm going to submit it. It's going to give me options. I'm going to choose to pay with Bitcoin. And by doing that, it gives me 1 hour to complete this payment. I'll go down here and copy the receiving address. I'm going to send it. And this is the address it's going to be receiving. We'll click on the amount. The amount is, we're going to copy that. Now, sometimes the decimal doesn't copy, so check and make sure that's a valid amount. We'll confirm the address. Of course, it's going to ask me to unlock my trusty wallet. Now, to confirm the address is what I like to do is check the last four and the first four. First four, BC1P. The last four is A24W. So we see A24W right there. And that's BC1P. Is that what I said? BC1? Yeah, BC1P. So in a true circumstance, I would confirm this, and then it would tell me that it received. You would come back over here. This screen would change as soon as it's received, which normally happens pretty quick. It's the getting it back that takes a moment. And then you just simply wait on it. Guys, if this video has helped you at all, please thumbs up. I need some subscribers, and I'm going to keep putting out videos because I know there are a few of y'all that don't know exactly what's going on. Thank you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.